Hello everyone, this is Rumi and this video is going to cover the topic that how you can set up Facebook app on localhost environment using XAMPP. So what is XAMPP? XAMPP is a web server to set up a web server on your local computer so that you can convert your machine, your computer, into a web server, a complete working web server. So you just have to download the XAMPP. That's what I'm using. There's also another VAMP, but XAMPP is my favorite. And you just have to search for XAMPP and search it on Google and just download it according to your operating system. I'm using Windows, so that's why I selected this one. 5.6 is the latest, so I downloaded this one. Okay, so you can download whatever you want, okay, because for Facebook environment we need 5.4 or later versions. So even if you download this version, this is gonna work, okay. So after you download it, you just have to press the Windows key on your keyboard and hold the Windows key and then press R to this run box will pop up on your screen. You just have to, well, we're not going this way. The much better way is just go to your start menu and there type in Notepad, right click, open as administrator account, then file, open, C, Windows. See, I have downloaded, I have installed the Windows, so that's why if you have installed the Windows in EF or other disk drives, then just select that, then go to Windows, System 32, then go to drivers, then etc, select here all files and just open this hosts file, okay. And there you might see, like, you might get the file like this, because I have added a few settings here, so it doesn't really matter, it's okay. 127.0.0.1, it means localhost, default localhost IP address, and that is resoluted to the localhost name. As you can see, localhost name resolution is handled within DNS itself. So this is the example. You just have to type in the IP and just type the name of the website, and whenever you go to this website, this will get the request from this IP address. It means if you, as I told you, that 127.0.0.1 means localhost, your computer's IP address for the web server, then you just have to type your 127.0.0.1. you just have to press space 1. It doesn't really matter, you have to go like this, but for the clarity, you can just have to type in the website name, even if you own that domain or not. For example, if I type in youtube.com, just save it, okay, save it, Control S, and now you just have to run the XAMPP server. Go to XAMPP control panel. There you have to start the Apache server, which is the web server, and this is the MySQL server. Just start the Apache server, that's what we need for now. And if you go to youtube.com, it will take you to the localhost. Just a second. Okay, so let's try again. Save. Okay, youtube.com, remove all the other things. There we go. This is taking us to the Apache server. The dashboard is the default one. So the same way I have added Rumi.com, that I don't own this domain, and you can also put anything even without .com.net. For example, let's try Rumi/% enter. It's gonna take you to the server. That's great. Okay, so there, even if you own the domain or not, you just have to type in the IP address, which is always the same on every single computer, because this is default 127.0.0.1. Just press the space, just one single space or more if you want, and just type in the domain which you want, on which you want to work. So remove this. I've already added this domain rumi.com. So press save. You can close it down. And now you just have to go to developers.facebook.com/apps and just watch my video number 2 and 3. Then just follow all the steps, and whenever, this is where I'm working on the localhost app, and there you just have to go to settings, select your application, the video number 2 and 3. If you are going to make the Canvas app, or if you're going to integrate Facebook into your website, you just have to follow all the steps, and there you just have to type in the domain which you added to the 127.0.0.1 IP address in the host file. This is type in the domain without the www version and with the www version, and there just add in your website and press save changes. And there you can go to see there where you have installed the XAMPP. Then go to htdoc. This is the root directory. This is where we were redirected when we open this root directory. Then you can make another directory just like we make in the web hosting, and there, as you can see, this is the source file. Once again, just watch the videos 2 and video number 3 for the next steps. But this video was all about that, how to set up Facebook app on your local host environment using XAMPP server. So that's it. If you have any question about this video, you can ask me in the comments below, and there it is.